Ever hear of NIOSH? Maybe not, but it does important work, or did. The federal agency researched and recommended ways to make workplaces safer. But the jobs of its own workers were not safe. Most were laid off by the Trump budget cuts. In tonight's Eye on America, Jericka Duncan looks at the potential impact of this in a part of the country that voted overwhelmingly for President Trump.
In West Virginia's coal country, Marion Tennant says he was destined to work in the mines.
That was the only thing in this area when I graduated high school.
That was in 1974.
NIOSH was in way more than just coal.
When Tennant was protected by the National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health, or NIOSH. For decades, it offered free screenings for black lung, a chronic disease caused by prolonged exposure to coal dust. But the screenings have stopped because of President Trump's mandated budget cuts.
What impact does that have on the workforce?
What's going to happen, I'm afraid, is your young ones, before they realize what they've done to their body, they're going to have black lung. And the numbers is going to rise.
Riley, come.
Catherine Blackwood was a PhD scientist at the NIOSH facility in Morgantown, West Virginia, where she studied the dangers of mold exposure.
I'm angry that we are just being cast aside.
Her job was eliminated April 1st, along with over 200 others, from people who oversee mine safety to those who study chemicals causing cancer and firefighters.
I'm really worried and fearful about what the impacts are going to be on the rest of us.
You're not talking just about Morgantown, are you?
No, I'm not. Every single person faces different hazards at their work every day. And without NIOSH, I think that we are all in danger.
We reached out to Health and Human Services to ask about cuts to crucial programs. A spokesperson said, in part, the department remains focused on cutting wasteful bureaucracy and eliminating duplicative administrative roles.
The work being done at NIOSH was not wasteful. It was not duplicative. It was not redundant. The research that was being done at NIOSH was being done nowhere else in the world.
West Virginia is not only coal country, it's Trump country. He won this state with 70% of the vote. Tennant, who's now retired, says he didn't vote for Kamala Harris or Trump.
He's looking at the coal-fired power plants, but he's also doing away with NIOSH that helps the safety of the coal miners.
The budget for NIOSH was about $363 million in 2023. That same year, job injuries and illnesses cost Americans around $176 billion. Without NIOSH, officials say that number could be even higher.
I don't think it's hyperbole to say that eviscerating NIOSH, as they have, will cause people to die.
Which is exactly what NIOSH was created to prevent. For Eye on America, Jericka Duncan, Morgantown, West Virginia.